Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and in this video I will show you how you can set up and configure your Facebook page and get your first 100 likes. If you like what you see so far, please like this video, share it, subscribe for more upcoming videos, and now let's get started. I have my personal profile now. You need to have a personal Facebook account for that. I've made that an hour ago, and if you want to know how you can do that, you can watch the tutorial over here or in the description. And now I can create a business page. In order to do that, I click on create. If you don't see that, you can click over here. If you don't see it over here, you can click on pages and then here create page. So I click on this one, create page, the upper one. Now I have two choices. I am a business or a brand, or I am a community or public figure. Well, let me show you. If you would say business or brand, you click on get started. And then you need to have a page name. For instance, David's business. And then you need to find a category. You just need to start typing. If it will be web design, I could say web. And you see website, web designer, affiliate, local business. There are a lot of things. So you need to select a category and click on continue. Well, I am a public figure. So I click on get started over here. Same thing, David Corp, and the category, I can say education website. Continue. So this is our page. What we need to do now, we see a lot of things at the same time. I will show you what we can do. We can add our profile picture. So I click on update. I can choose a picture or I can take a photo right now from my computer. I would like to upload a photo. So over here on my Facebook page, I search for David Corp. This one, open. And if you're a public figure, I suggest you use a picture of yourself with a white background. Why a white background? Because I see that successful people use a white background. So I want to model that. Then I can add a cover. It can be a photo or a video. I have no video yet, so I add a cover and it is 820 pixels by 312 pixels. I upload a photo or a video and it's over here. This one, 820 by 312 pixels. I open it. Now it looks like that. David Corp, make money while you sleep with affiliate marketing. That's what my business is all about. I want to help people to make money while they are sleeping, just like I do. And I see that it's amazing to live that way, helping people and at the same time making money while you sleep. Okay, what we can do now, we can add a call to action button over here. So I click on add a button. And what kind of button do we want to have? Well, I will make a webinar, an evergreen webinar that can start whenever the visitor wants. And I want to send people to that page. So what I want to do, I click on make a booking with you. Book now. And I click on next. And I want to send them to a website. So I click here and the website is https affiliate marketingcourse.com, and that's what I want. So I click on save, finish. Then we can go to the settings over here. And there's a lot of information over here. And everywhere you click, there's more information here at the right. So page visibility, it is published. Visitors post. Here you can decide what you want to see. Allow visitors to the page to publish posts. I don't want that. Disable posts by other people on the page. Otherwise, other people can spam me and spam things on my page. Well, I just want to use this to broadcast the things I create on this page. Messages. Do we want to be contacted privately? I say yes. Next one, tagging ability. Click on edit. Do you want to be tagged? Allow others to tag photos and videos published by David Corp. Yes, because that is free publicity. Others tagging this page, yes. But all those settings, you can take a look at it. They're quite straightforward. You can see what it's about and then you can change it. I want to go to page info and give a description of my page. Okay, and when you're finished, click on Save the Changes. The category, I changed it to entrepreneur. It is the same category as over here before in the tutorial. I say I'm an entrepreneur. You can enter your phone number over here. My website is https://affiliatemarketingcourse.com. Save the changes. Or you say, my page does not have a website yet. You can leave your email. You can say, I don't have an email yet. Save the changes. Where you're located. And you can add other accounts. Then we go to messaging. Okay, use the return key to send messages. If you want to do that, turn this on. Scroll down, response assistance. This is really powerful. Show a messenger greeting. So when somebody enters your page, you can say, hi, Ferdy Korpershoek, thank you for getting in touch with us on Messenger. Please send us any question you may have. And you can change the sentence. And you see the example over here. And this will be the name of the person that visits your page. Hi, thank you for getting in touch with us. So you can change it if you want to, and you can personalize it even more by only saying the first name. So if I get rid of this, I can say, hey, first name. Hey, Ferdy, thank you for getting in touch with us on Messenger. I save it. And if somebody responds to that, I want to give them an automatic response. So in order to do that, I go to automated responses. So right now it says, hi, thank you for contacting us. We've received your message and appreciate you reaching out. I turn this on and I can edit the message. We will get back to you ASAP. Wink. Or maybe personalize it. Example. Save. So when somebody sends me a message, you'll get this back. So that's it for messaging. If I go to my page in a new tab, we see it looks like this. Like, follow, share, book now. If we go to templates and tabs, and here below, we see home, post, reviews, videos. Well, I post a lot of videos, so I drag them up. Below that or above that, I want to have posts, reviews, photos. I don't post a lot of photos. You can change these orders. There are also page roles. So if you get a really big page, you can let other people have access and then they can respond to comments and stuff. So you can assign people to be an admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst. So let's go to the page. I close this. I want to add my first post and I create YouTube videos. So what I want to do, I want to go to youtube.com, go to my channel, and I want to paste this over here, this video.
Hi guys, my name is David.
So I post over here. I just place the link. You don't see the image now, but it will come. You can also add your own image. So I can say in this video, I can just copy this text if I want to. So let me see.
Hi guys.
I go to the description. Copy, paste. Share now. And now it's uploading. Awesome. And now people can like it, people can comment, people can share it. And I can respond as David Korp or as Ferdy Korpershoek or as something else. But I prefer David Korp, which is this profile, my business profile. And if I share this on my own page, then I can say I want to share this as Ferdy Korpershoek, which is my real name. My second name is David. That's why I called David Korp over here. So Ferdy Korp, share. Share now public. This has been shared on your timeline. So now when I go to my own profile, it is shared. You can also share it a different way. Share as a message in a group, on a friend's timeline, to a page. If you say share, you can add your own story to it. Look at this, amazing. Include original post, which is this one, or exclude it. I like to include it. And if I post it, I go to my timeline. This one is share. You can add your own text to it. This one is share public. I bring it back to David Korp, and then I can respond as David Korp. Okay, what's next? So now it says David Korp and then a number. If you want to change it to a custom URL, you can do it over here. Create a page, username, but you need to have 25 likes in order for you to create your custom URL /username. So what I need to do, I have no friends on my profile, so I need to accept some friends. So now there are my friends. So if I refresh this page, I have 36 friends. What I will do now, I go back to my page, I go to home, see more, David Korp, and now I can invite friends. So what I can do, see all friends, select them all. That saves so much time. Before, a few years ago, I had a tutorial about this. I need to invite them all one by one. Send invites 26. I need 25. So what else can you do? Let me go to the settings. The page is published. So right now, this is the link of my page. So if I would go to Safari and I paste this link, then people can go to my page and they can like me. So what I will do now, I will go to my different page, Ferdy Korpershoek, paste this over here. And you see I have my first like. Thank you, Kirsten. And then I say, hi guys, I am creating something new. It will be huge. Would you like to become the first one of the first followers of my new page? Click on my profile below. Copy this, share now. I go to YouTube, to my biggest account. Create a post. Okay. Let me see, where's that link? Copy. I paste my link again, post, and I could send it to my email list with 25,000 subscribers. But I think this will be enough for now. And then I will be back with you when I have 25 likes. So it's now 30 minutes later, 29 minutes. If I refresh the page, you see I have now 2,800. No, that's my other. Just kidding. That's my other page. I have now 34 likes. So what can I do now? I can go to davidkorp.com. And by the way, if you want to find your own page, go to home. And then here at shortcuts, see more, you can find it. What I will do, I click over here, pin to the top, and there it is. So now when I'm at my home page, I click over here. And now I can create my own username. Well, I'm a fan of Kevin David. And if I take a look at Kevin David, when you hear the name, you know That's a name that more people have. Kevin David. So he's really successful. He has a lot of likes. So if I click over here, I see his name is The Real Kevin David. So I want to model popular or successful people. So my username will be The Real David Corp. And it is still available. Woo! Create username. The username The Real David Corp has been created for David Corp. It's now easier for people to find your page. So this is my link now. Awesome. Okay. That's it. Well, maybe you think, but where are the 100 likes? Well, I have, let me see, 36 friends. Actually 26, because 10 friends are, I don't know, they are not there. So if from the 26 people, around 8 people like me, that is around 1/3. So if you have 1,000 friends and you invite 1,000 friends, I believe you will get more than 100 likes. The last time I did it, I had friends and a lot of people signed up. So I would say invite everybody and you will have 100 likes and your page is good to go to get your own username or URL like this. Facebook.com/TheRealDavidCorp. How great is that? So that's how it is done. This was a basic overview of how to create a Facebook business page. There is so much more to know about Facebook. You can learn more about setting up your page, creating posts, different kind of posts, how to engage with people, how to set up automatic Facebook bots. They can answer questions and you can share things. I have tutorials about that, by the way. But if you want to know everything about Facebook and get everything out of it that is in it, then I suggest you go to ferdycorp.com/FB for Facebook. And you will be redirected to Kevin David, the Ninja Masterclass Facebook 2019. You can watch this video, why enroll. And if this is something for you, you can learn everything there is to learn. And otherwise you can go to my YouTube channel. And if you search for Ferdy Facebook, there are also a few Facebook related tutorials. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned a ton of stuff. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video if you like it. Hit the bell icon when you subscribe so you get an update when I upload a new video. Having said that, I hope you have a great day and good luck with your business.